Hi, first grade. Hope everyone is doing great today. Before we get started, let's do that saying above the windows. That's how we always started our classes normally. You are unstoppable because anything is possible with God. All right, are you guys ready to finish your Tiger book today? Slide 1 is our title page. Slide 2, we had 2 sentences. We found a picture of a tiger. Slide 3, we talked about Asia because we learned that wild tigers live in Asia, and we found a picture with showing the continent of Asia. Maybe you guys looked up continents in InfoOhio. All right, so let's create slide 4. So I'm going to go up and click that arrow pointing down right beside the plus sign. And we're going to use that title only slide again. So row 2, right in the middle. Let's click on title only. Now, if you accidentally get an extra slide you don't want, just click on it and then either use your delete key or backspace key on your keyboard and that will get rid of it. Remember, you also have your undo if you need. All right, slide 4. Let's put a background on this slide. And we had learned, that wild tigers live in Asia. And I don't know if you guys remember that one movie we watched where they were trying to find the tiger and her cubs. So it kind of looked like they were going through some jungle area of Asia. So I'm going to go up here to background. And I'm going to try to find a picture. So I'm going to click on choose image. And I've already got it in here, but let's search on jungle. So Jungle. So search on jungle and you get some pretty cool pictures that pop up. This one here already has a tiger in it, but don't choose that one. We're going to put our own tiger in. So you want to try to find a background where it looks like you can put a tiger in where it's standing on your background. So I wouldn't choose this because that's an overhead view of a jungle. I'm liking this one here. So I'm going to click on the background that I want, and I'm going to hit that insert down at the bottom. And then I'm going to click done. And now I have my jungle background. So go ahead, pick your jungle background. And when you're finished, let's get a tiger on our slide. So I'm going to go to those mountains. I'm going to search the web. And I'm going to type in tiger. Now let me show you what's going to happen if I just put tiger. Most of these pictures are going to pop up and they're going to be in their own backgrounds. So we don't want that because we have our background already. So I'm going to click back up here, and after tiger, I'm going to put a space, and then I'm going to put 3 letters, P, N, G. And I'm going to hit my enter key. So PNG will try to do, it's going to try to now find us pictures that aren't in backgrounds. I still might have a little bit of a problem because look what's going to happen. If I click on this tiger and hit insert, he comes in, he's not in a background, but he's in a white box. And I don't really want that either. So I'm going to hit my undo. So again, I'm going to open up those mountains, search the web. And I'm actually, if I looked, I could probably click through some of these and try to find one that would work. Otherwise, I'm going to do this tiger PNG transparent. And we might have better luck trying to find tigers that aren't in white boxes. And I'm kind of liking this one because I got this path right here. So it looks like maybe I can put a tiger on a path. So I'm going to click on that tiger. And I'm going to hit my insert. Awesome. So he's not in a white box. He's not in a background. He's a little big. So remember, I'm going to use my corners, make him a little smaller. And I got my tiger. So see if you can get your tiger into your jungle background. Once you have your tiger in there, let's type our sentence. Now, with our background, well, we have a harder time reading what we're going to be typing. So let's click on that text box up at the top. And I'm actually going to change it. I'm going to hit this bucket right up here, fill color. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to change it to white. So I'm filling my text box with white, so now I can read what I want to type. And let's type, so in our Info Ohio website, when you looked at the tigers, it talked about how the tiger likes to eat meat. The tiger eats meat. Oops. Let's get that spelled right. So remember, your sentence should begin with a capital letter. Only put one space in between each word, and let's end with a period. Put your period right after the letter T. So we have our sentence. And once you have your sentence, if you would like, maybe you can look up some other Asian animals, and maybe you can try to put some other Asian animals in your background. In that movie, that really short video that we watched where they were trying to find, I think it was Sakita, was the tiger they were trying to find, and her cubs. They were using elephants to get around the jungle. So I might put an elephant in here. So I'm going to click on my mountains and search the web. And I'm going to type elephant space. I'm going to put those three letters, PNG. I'm going to go down to this elephant PNG transparent. And I get some pictures of elephants. And I'm gonna pick this one here because I'll show you how to turn them around if you need to have your animals face a different direction. So I'm gonna hit insert. So my elephant comes in. It's not in a white box. It's not in background. I'm okay with the size of it. So see how my elephant is facing. I really want to face them the other way. Make sure your elephant is selected. So it has the blue box around it. I can go up to arrange, rotate, and I'm going to flip horizontally. So this will flip it so it's facing the other direction. And now I got my elephant. So if you want to put an elephant in or maybe look up some other Asian animals, you can put that into your slide 4 as well. All right, so we are done with our tiger book, and I'd love to see what you guys have put together. So when you're finished, up here you have this share button. So click on share and type in MAC, and you should find my name, Lois McLennan. That pops up. So click on that and share it with me so I can see the great work that you guys have been working on. All right. Hope you guys have fun, and we will talk to you later. Okay, bye-bye.